In this video, we're going to go over how you can redeem creator codes here in Clash Royale. This is the easiest method to support your favorite Clash Royale creators. But before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and of course subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more videos just like this. Now if you're wondering how to redeem codes here in Clash Royale, this is actually the only method that does work right now. First things first, open up the game and actually head over to the shop and then scroll all the way to the bottom until you see the option that does say enter code. Simply go ahead and select it, and from here you can go ahead and enter in the creator code of your favorite Supercell partner. For example, you could use something like code OJ in order to support Orange Juice Gaming. And once you actually go ahead and enter in that code, what you're going to want to do is hit done and then hit OK. And as you can see, it'll say currently supporting OJ. Now, when you make purchases in the Supercell store, entering in a creator code can also sometimes unlock exclusive discounts on gems and special offers. Plus, it also supports your favorite content creators at no extra cost. But that's it. It is super simple. If this video did help you out, make sure to like the video and of course subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more Clash Royale videos like this. It really does help out the channel. But if you have any questions, just ask us down below. Have a great day. Peace.